Hello everyone, welcome to TechnoCAD YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn arc and types of arc. Arc is a very important sketch tool as like lines and rectangle. Arc is very useful in modern days to shape the component perfectly. You can find a arc shape in all the modern types of cars and aeroplane designs shapes. Uh, in AutoCAD, there is a basic arc command with a types of arc. If we understand it, it will be very common in all the CAD tools. Here, we are going to learn five types of arcs today. First one is 3-point or tangent ended arc. The second one is center and ended arc. The third one is three tangent arc. Fourth one is concentric arc, and the fifth one is conic arc. Conic is different type of arc method. So I created a separate video for conic arc. Conic is having slight difference when we compare to normal arc types. First, let us see about 3-point arc or tangent ended arc. For that, we have to select a 3-point arc. Select the first point and select the second point. End point can be created on the screen, anywhere on the screen. This is 3-point arc. First I selected the first point and second point. End point somewhere on the screen. We have created an arc with with the help of 3 points. In the same method, there is another one as tangent ended arc. Tangent ended arc is first we should select 3-point or tangent ended arc. Select the first point and select the second point. Third point, which you are selecting tangent to this line. The constraint is two endpoints are coincide, and third point which is available tangent to this line. This is tangent ended arc. Example of arc feature component is hooks, which is used in this hooks is an example for arc feature component, which is used in large and small industries to handle the material and machineries with the help of this hook and cranes. Three-point arc and tangent arc will get vary in place to place. These two types of arc will vary depends on available data which you have. Generally, three-point arc created with the help of 3 point in the screen. In most of the cases, we use only 3-point arc. The second, now let us go to second type of arc is center and ended arc. Select the center and ended arc. First, click on the center of the circle. It will create, it will form one imaginary circle. Then we can select a start point anywhere in the imaginary circle and end with the third endpoint. The center ended arc will be created, depends on this center. We can create a center ended arc in the limit of that imaginary circle. In the limit of the imaginary circle, the center and ended arc, we are having start point and with the center and ending the arc with the end point, so it is called center and ends arc. Now let us go to the third type of arc called tangent arc. Now go to the arc command and select the tangent. Before selecting the tangent arc, we should it requires 3 tangent lines to create arc. For that I am going to create a 3 tangent line which is perpendicular to each other. Select the 3 tangent arc and select the first tangent of the circle and select the second tangent of the circle and select the third. It is almost constrained with only with the tangent and coincide constraints in all the 3 places. Mostly this is used in car designs. Reason for using in car design, they might have only line data to create an arc. The tangent arc, no need ends. Only 3 lines are required to create a tangent arc. Tangent arc, it gets endpoint nearest to that line. Sorry, tangent endpoint will be created nearest to that line. First point and second, and this is third point. It is totally get constrained tangent and coincident. The final arc command is called concentric arc. Concentric arc is like a concentric circle, which we learned in tutorial 1. This one. Concentric or have the same center offset with a specific distance. First, we should select a concentric arc. First, select the concentric arc. To create a concentric arc, before that, it needs circle or fillet or arc. For that, I am going to create one three point arc or centered arc. Concentric arc only will be created based on this. Based on this arc. It take a same center. Concentric arc will take a same center and create a multiple places in different diameters. You can create an arc with the start on by selecting the start and end points. Concentric to that same center. Concentric arc is based on the circle. Mostly concentric is used surface modeling. We use surface offset in the equal distance. Instead of that, we can create a multiple arc with the same center. Advantages of concentric arc: we require specific start and end points. Start and end points. We can create a multiple arc continuous to that, like this, in different distance, different angles. We are creating based on the reference arc in different angle and different positions. This is concentric circle arc. This arc or arc features are created based on the arc theory. In the engineering, there is a subject called design of mechanics. In that, there is a arc theory. Based on the arc theory, crankshaft and cam mechanism is created. In the total, arc theory will be designed with the individual design. If it can be created with the arc theory. If you like this video, please share, comment, like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.